Hello lovely viewer, welcome back to my channel. This is Helen Coral Care. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make this beautiful bead you are seeing here. The material needed is fancy glass bead. I have my scissors, my fishing line, the smallest size, and I have my clip in case my needle gets stuck. I will use it to pull it out. So I have crystal bead also, size 3. So I'm going to be using this. If this is needed, you can also attach this to this place to give it more beauty. My bracelets. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this through the hand on make it hand. So I have my hook here. I have 2 lines. So I'm making 2 lines like this for the hand. So let's get started. Please, if today is your first time watching my video, you have not yet subscribed, please like, comment according to the video, help me to share to your friends. God bless you as you do that. Please just be calm, give me your time to watch this to the end to see how beautiful it is. So first of all, I've cut out my fishing line, put it in the needle. First of all, tie it like this. I'm going to tie it 3 times. So I'll pick crystal bead first, and I will pick 6 of this glass bead. Six, and I will pick another crystal bead. I pick another 6. I'll pick another crystal bead. I will pick it like that and use it to measure my hand to get the desired length. So you check if it's okay. Yes, it's okay now. You watch it, so it has to be the same. I'll pass it here. You see, I'm going to tie it for the thread not to be moving. So I'll pass it here. So I'm going to continue what I did here on the same bead. I will continue. I'm going for the second time now. I will go and I will come back for the 3rd time and for the 4th time. This is the 2nd time I'm going now. I'm still picking same 6 bead. So this is the third time I'll go now. I'll pick another same 6 and do exactly the same. So I'm going for the fourth one, the last one now. I will still pick the same 6 bead. This is the fourth time I'm going. Hope you can see it very well. The light just went off. So this is the last session of this one. Now still pass it here. So I will now tie it with this one before I cut it. So I'm going to repeat the same process here on this. Exactly what I do here is what I'm going to do here. How you pick the bead, you count it very well. It's the same thing I'm going to do here. Light has come. This is the last one. Go the same and watch to understand more better. It's just for you to have time and concentrate. You don't use hurry to do it, because bead need a lot of attention. Please, if you like what I'm doing here, like, subscribe, comment to the video, share to your friends. As you do that, God will bless you. We have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching to this extent. God bless you. Like, comment, and share to your friends. See you on my next video. If there's anyone you want me to make, comment it down below and I will do it for you. It's all done. So you can use your lighter to burn the excess.
Wow.